Hey friends, good morning. We are taking you to Mount Fremont this week. This is the sunrise hike and we are starting at 4 a.m. A couple of my cousins drove to my house around 1:45 and left about 2 a.m. to beat any traffic, which there wasn't really any, but we got a good parking spot. Now you'll see here later in the video, this is a particular destination that you might have seen on Instagram. You'll need a national park pass to park, so just make sure you Google it or look up Washington State Parks. The total distance round trip is 5.4 miles and it takes about 3 hours. 1.5 hours to get up and 1.5 hours to get down. And it is a moderate level of difficulty. Notice I don't have much footage in the beginning because it was super dark. And even with flashlights, it didn't really matter. The quality was really grainy. So this is gonna have to do. It is a fairly moderate hike, like I said. So you're gonna have hiking boots. I saw some people with sandals and I don't recommend it because there's loose rock. Walking sticks are a godsend. So if you have those, bring them. If not, you can get them for cheap on Amazon. Literally, we walked all the way over there. And this, you guys, is the majestic Mount Rainier. We went with 5 other people. Or there's 6 of us total. I don't know what valley that is over there.
We're going to that lighthouse or whatever.
What? We're going to that area right there. So we have quite a ways away. And this is my cousin Jen.
Hi.
And my husband, of course you guys know. That's Fong. Yeah, walking sticks are essential. Thank God my cousin brought it. She really knows how to take care of us. So yes, this is called the sunrise hike, y'all. Okay, see you in a bit. So there's narrow paths here. Just be sure that you're careful. Okay, I'm watching where I'm walking, guys. I'm just trying to show you what the hike looks like because it's pretty intense. Now it gets a little bit easier because it's going downhill, but there are a lot of uphill areas. And so they like to say that this trail is a moderate hiking trail, meaning there are some dips and highs, I guess. I don't know, whatever you call it. But yeah, now that I can see everything, it's beautiful. I couldn't film earlier because it was too dark. All right, I'm gonna shut this down now. We've made it to the peak, I think. So right there, there's quite a bit of people. Let me pan around. Holy crap. Is this secured? Yes. This is the reality of it, y'all.
I was
So
like,
as you
what
can
do
see,
they eat?
there's a lot of people here behind us, but I've never done this before, at least none of these types of hikes. So this is so much different from the show when we did it 2 years ago, and this is just absolutely just amazing. It's very peaceful. I feel like you could totally clear your head here, and it's just something that, you know, I'm glad I was able to come on this hike, because I was actually kind of dreading it because I'm not in the best shape. But this is actually, I'm really glad I came. I think it was worth it. We made it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you guys liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're updated of new videos. I try to post as often as I can, usually every Sunday. Stay tuned for my next video as I take you to Wyoming. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.